Sri Sut Maharaj is addressed by Sanakadi saying, we can see the dire need of the teaching of this text to help the world. Manahina is Sastra Rishi Vachana. Vachana means word. We have a vacha and a na at the end. In this respect, if you bring the na to the front, which is a grammatical rule, you get na vacha. Those who do not listen to the words that is beneficial. Of whom? Shastra. Religious texts were put down not by ordinary people. It was not written by ordinary people. They were inspired souls, like Sant Tulsidas, Ved Vyas, and so. If you take a paper, Sri Ramayana, it will tell you. Tulsi Maharaj, whenever he takes up his pen, he says, Prabhu Ram assist me, and he will write. And if there was a small little error, he was shocked to know when he get up in the morning to revise or to run over what he wrote, he used to see corrections. He said, but I wonder what goes on behind my back. He hid himself and he caught the master who was correcting. You see Hanuman sitting very serene, happy, smiling, and he corrected him. He fell on his feet. He said, you again, master. So much love. So to say a man wrote this book, a right one, don't let people take craps like this and push it down your throat. Shastras came into existence when God showered His blessings on people. The sages and the saints were inspired by the Father overhead, whom says, let us walk on this highway. But he says, Maharaj, if you observe, the people of the present age in Kaliyuga isn't listening to one thing, no rishi, no satsang. They go, they will sit, they say, nice, nice. We had a good satsang last night. You ask Bhaiya who it was, he says, so and so person. What was the Katha? He said, you know, forget. Bhaiya, you went to satsang and he can't give you information as to what was said in that satsang. So you went to grace the sabha, or you went and take just a seat as a statue. He says, this is why, as I said before, it is dire need for the teaching I ask of you.